super educator of the day, Ms. Barsha Chabaria. She is an astute radio professional celebrating her 18th year in the field of radio. Ms. Barsha has been awarded for her initiatives at several national and international platforms, twice by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting India. In addition to that, she is a passionate educationist at heart, and she is currently the Vice President North of Community Radio Association in India, and she's also the station head of Salam Namaste Community Radio Noida. She was the ex-content and communication head of 92.7 Big FM, and in addition to that, she's a branding and promotion strategist. She's a content expert. She's a blogger and public speaker. We are delighted to have you on board today to share your expertise with us, Barsha ma'am. Thank you so much for agreeing to our request to be a part of this session and sharing your expertise on radio as a career for teachers. Over to you.
Okay, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, so namaste to everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on this excellent platform. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my experiences. And I love this name, teacher, because it has got two R's and it shows the teachers are actually moving one step ahead each of the day. And this era is actually by teachers. So I'm here to share my experience all through what I've been doing it almost 2 decades now. This is my 18th year in the field of radio, and I have been very, very fortunate that I have worked with all forms of radio today. I started my journey from All India Radio, Kolkata. Then I moved to Mumbai. I worked for the internet form of radio. I moved to the central part of India and I worked for commercial FM, big FM. And then I moved to Delhi NCR and I started working for community radio. Now, believe me, community radio was the best medium of radio I experienced in my lifetime because here we could actually carve out a niche for all common beings. And in my last 1 decade, I've been very, very actively working with teachers, educators, academicians, and experts. So the very topic, radio as a career for teachers is very, very uprising, and it is the call of today. Now, let me tell you what is common between teachers and radio. Both teachers and radio have the expertise to connect, communicate, educate, change, and transform lives. So, all due regards to all the teachers, lot many teachers have joined us today. So, teachers connect and communicate with students, be it of any age. They transform lives and they educate to bring change in their lives. Now, how can radio actually be a platform for them? Radio is such a field which can communicate to a bigger world, and it can actually give you a bigger world to the voice you are already giving it in the field of education. Now, to make this entire conversation crispy, let us all discuss about who, what, how, when, where, which. I'll be really happy if all of you can also put any question which is coming on to your mind. We'll be really very happy to answer them. Meanwhile, let me share who can actually become a part of radio. Everybody can become a part of radio. Radio today has no age bar, and people of any age can become a part. If we talk about teachers, teachers of any age, teachers of any background can become a part of radio. What do they need to do? This is a very, very common question, yet very interesting. Why interesting? Because if the teachers are coming on radio, the same classrooms come on the platform of radio. But having said that, they come in a very, very interesting module because radio has a different format. How? This is something which we all need to learn. with due regards to every field, every career, we need some expertise. Expertise in the form of technicalities, expertise in the form of voice deliveries, expertise in the form of connecting. How we speak in a classroom is absolutely different when you become a part of a radio classroom, right? And techniques can be innovated also. It could be any one of you who is actually giving us a new format to present it on radio. Which is actually which programs can you do? Many of the teachers are very great experts in their subject matters. It is like if you ask them any question, they have all the answers. There are many teachers that students look forward that we can understand only when they explain it to us, or this particular teacher explains it to me. There are many teachers who have added qualities. Maybe they have a very great flavor in their voice. Many teachers are blessed with amazing voice modulation. Many teachers are great poets, poetess. Many teachers are great bloggers. Many teachers have a flair of writing. This all shows they're very great expressors. They can express very well, and this is what we require in radio. The catchword is, remember, your actual classroom and the radio classroom is a little different, but you really have an opportunity. You can actually touch the edge. Now,
कोई करता नहीं है घर में.
so the last thing is how. Start approaching your nearest radio station, start listening to more of the radio stations, start also creating your own niche, start marking down what is your own expertise, like which subject you would like to speak on. How do you mark a difference? If let's say you're teaching us physics on radio, how can that be physics and fun? Like how we started, in radio some years back, radio and mathematics. So we were teaching people how is percentage being done by in the form of storytelling, in form of poetries, in form of real life examples, by bringing people from real life on board. How can you add some flavor to this? Sometimes, the chapters which you explain are also related with life. So probably you can relate them with life. And the ways to do is, how do you do your homework? I understand, again, with due regards, teachers give students the homework. But here, as we are all making ourselves ready to come to a different new field, we are also required. Remember, every teacher is a student here now. When you are trying to become a part of radio, you definitely have an opportunity, and a very bigger opportunity, to add it to your existing career, whatever you are doing, whatever business or corporate experience you have or academic experience you have. Radio can gel very well with your existing career. All that you need to know is how does it work, what is your homework to be done. So what you need to do is note down your expertise areas, subject, your interest areas, your extra flavors. What is that you really speak on well? Also, many of us know a lot of languages. So also note down your language expertises, because radio is a medium of languages. As many languages you can connect with, popularity is the next word associated with you. Connect is the next word associated with you. These can add flavors to your on program deliveries. Also, you need to be a little ardent follower of how radio stations actually broadcast programs. Commercial radios, I would say, have a dearth of timelines, but then if you are looking at a radio where you need to educate people, you wish to educate people, you need to have a bigger talk time. So bigger talk space means community radio or government form of radios. Here you need to make your profile showcasing. Now, what is profile showcasing? Everybody of us, like how models have a portfolio. Similarly, voice people who wish to make a career in the field of voice should have a voice sample. Start recording one episode. Technicalities, if you know how to edit them, today you have a lot of apps available now. How we have video apps, how we have photo apps, how we have text on photo apps. Similarly, you get a lot of audio apps also. You can get a hang on that. But again, this needs a very, very, very sharp expertise. So that's how radio professionals are good at this. But you can also still try. If not that, you can still try to make a voice sample of yours, because anytime you get an opportunity, you would be asked to showcase a voice sample of yours. It could be on any subject, it could be on life skills, it could be on motivational skills, it can be subject, concentrating and subject focusing skills, and make it of a good amount of duration, which shows content, which also has a message, and which also connects. In radio, what we always say is content is the king. It is no longer about just speaking, it is more about communicating today. And from communicating to changing lives. For example, if we have started a program on spoken English, and kids of all ages are actually attending those radio classroom classes, they listen to it, they should be learning about the general words, they should be adopting it in their general lives, just because you associate it with their day-to-day habits. Similarly for Hindi, let's say Hindi is a language which needs a lot of promotion today, and a lot of interest in students' lives, because students today have a habit to type in the WhatsApp language, and that's how somehow they are drifting from this language. Same with Sanskrit. So somebody who would like to teach students on this great language, he or she has to actually make it a little interesting. Now, this is absolutely your own forte. Everybody of us has a different bent of mind, different style, different idea. You'll have to make your homework ready. Pick up a diary today. First page, please write what is your focus area. Second, what is the area you are good at. If you write 10 expert areas, at least 3 you'll be able to work on. Point number 3, what is the extra flavor you would like to add it to your program? Point number 4, why should one listen to you? What is that extra, charm in this program that one would listen and learn? Next, how do you connect? Now, the connect means either you leave them with a question for the next program, either you leave them with a suggestion for the next program, either you dedicate your next program, that the next program is dedicated to this student and he has requested us for this program to be heard about. So we are going to do some easy storytelling on permutation combination. Give them a tease. So your last minute content, generally people think the last words are always bye. It has changed today. Your last words should be bye for today, but what's the high for the next day? What are you bringing for the next day? Right? So our practice starts today. Radio field really requires teachers. Believe me, at my radio station, also at Salam Namaste, we have this program called Radio Classroom, and we get numerous entries each day. Today, platforms like NCERT, CIET, all of them have brought education on a bigger platform. This current age has made us all tech savvy, and everybody have made ourselves comfortable with online education. So, my dear teachers, with due regards and my folded hands to everybody, I would again repeat that we need to upgrade skills. Radio has come a long way ahead, and the skill has to be constantly, kept on improving, kept on improving. If I speak about myself, I started my career when I used to play the LP discs, which plays through a gramophone. I played a spool, which has a broad cassette wing. Then we played cassette. It has a thinner tape, plastic tape. Then I started playing CDs. Every equipment was new for me. I never played a gramophone. I never saw a gramophone. I had never played a spool. Yes, I had cassette players at home. I had never, the first time I played a CD was in the radio station itself. From there, today we have come to an age where we are broadcasting digitally. We all are in an age where everything is so digital, and radio is giving you a wider audience through the medium of digital broadcast. So we all have to be ready through the digital broadcast. Conventional form of radio is absolutely okay. Many of us really like listening to our voices or somebody's program in that box. But then let us be prepared that digital FM is the call of today, and we will have to make ourselves very user friendly with the digital platforms. One common thing, I'm sure many of you, or few of you, or many of whom you know, are very brilliant podcasters also. Let me explain how does a podcaster and a radio broadcaster differ. For anybody to think about, we can easily say that the podcaster is also delivering a program. Of course, yes. But the kind of program a radio broadcaster would bring through his or her podcast would be absolutely different. He knows all the focus areas which I just shared. He or she will be bringing a program which is absolutely of a different sound quality because he knows the expertise. He or she, the radio broadcaster, would be bringing on his or her podcast medium absolutely a different program which has got all elements of radio which will allure you to listen to this podcast more and more. Amateur broadcasters are actually practicing. That's again a good way to popularize yourself. And since you have so many digital platforms, you can always go ahead. But my biggest advice to everybody is we all need to focus on the content. Unless it is the content, we will actually fail to bring that mode of change. Radio can become your second career wing. You do not need to quit your mainstream career. You can, of course, take this up as a mainstream career, but then if you wish that, you want to continue with your mainstream career and adopt radio because you've got those skills, you can always have this as a second career wing. How to prepare for this? Start looking out for some webinars. A lot of webinars are being organized today. I myself organize regular webinars where I invite people in a just common understanding platform, which is titled as Understanding Radio Celebrating Content. Because content is again the king. Unless you have a content, you will not be able to communicate, you will not be able to content driven programs, you will not be able to connect, and you will of course not be able to become a radio professional. So you can start looking out for workshops. There is no harm in learning, my dear teachers, and again with due regards to you, please do not shy away from learning. Each of us is a learner today, and by the end of the life we keep on learning because skills have to be upgraded. One common thing with every kind of skill is you have to upgrade it. Every skill needs to be upgraded. You have to sharpen your skills. How? A pencil has to be sharpened every time. Similarly, each time you have to sharpen yourself. So do not shy away from any kind of trainings. And many of the teachers do understand that they must not be friendlier with a lot of devices. But then there are easier devices, there are easier methods, there are many possibilities. We require script writers, we require presenters, we require people who can help us in advertisements. So teachers have not many qualities like this because they speak so well, they connect so well with students. Many of the teachers I know host programs in their schools and they are so popular. They are already popular voices. Many of the teachers have a nickname, and with that nickname, when they come to the radio, they are already super popular. So this can actually give you an edge. This can actually help you to communicate to a wider audience. This can actually become a different career wing for you. This can actually sharpen the skills you already have. So I would love to have more questions if all of you can, put in the chat box, or you can, ask me. I can see Sherlin ji, Chitra ji, I can see Ila Verma, Gunjan Tomar, Arshi Ali, I can see, Saroja ji. If anybody would like to ask a question, do we have some questions in the conversation box? Anybody can put this. I can see Arjun here. And why don't you put, okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. So, as will be the first time attending the radio session, if like willing to. So, what will
Yeah.
be the first attempt that we need to follow and go through it, and how it works?
Okay, may I have your name, please?
My name is Amina Shireen.
Okay, Amina ji, thank you so much for this question. And this is a very vital question. And you have asked a very common question which applies to all. Please be prepared. Whenever you would be called to a radio station, you will be auditioned. The first interface would be an audition where we would like to test your voice. Because how we are sounding on this platform, how we sound face to face, or how we sound on a telephone is absolutely different how you would sound over a mic. If you're applying for the post of a presenter, your audition is a must. Your voice has to be tested come what may. If you're applying for the post of a scriptwriter, you would of course again be called to test for a sample script. You might be given a topic in which you would be asked to speak upon. You will be given a limited time frame, and not necessarily you will not be given the topic beforehand. You will be given on the spot. So your spontaneity, your nature, how do you take things, your take about the topic will be given on the spot. They will check you on spontaneity, on language skills. My advice to all is, we all know a lot of languages, I'm sure, apart from English. Don't shy away from using any kind of language. Radio has a mixture of language. आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं हिंदी में बोलिए, बंगाली में बोलना चाहते हैं पंजाबी में बोलना चाहते हैं, अंग्रेजी में बोलना चाहते हैं, अपने फ्लो को कभी भी इंटरप्ट मत करिए. While speaking in English, if suddenly a Hindi word comes to your mind, use that, speak that. That will actually become a part of your spicy conversation. So whenever a radio station will call you, it will be definitely for an audition. You can always be pre-prepared by making a voice sample like I suggested. Make a voice sample, record it on your phone. It can be on a poetry, it can be on a pseudo radio name, like let's say, welcome to Radio Edu Teacher. Today I am presenting you a program on physics. Are you really worried about physics? Was it a tough chapter when you learned about physics? We're today talking about evaporation. और इसको कैसे आसान बनाया जाए, आइए ऐसे करते हैं. We will start with a story and this leads to evaporation. So you can make a sample like this. You want to make a promo program for love maths, right? So hi, I'm Chitra Rola and welcome to my program Love Maths. And Love Maths में हम अपनी लाइफ को थोड़ा आसान करेंगे. ये तेरी लाइफ है, ये मेरी लाइफ है. जिंदगी की दौड़ में मेरी भी तो चॉइस है. इस चॉइस की दौड़ में परसेंटेज भूल मत जाइए, लेकिन परसेंटेज को याद रखा है तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट को भी भूल मत जाइए. मैथ्स में थोड़ा सा प्यार मिलाएंगे, थोड़ा सा स्पाइस मिलाएंगे. वेलकम टू लव मैथ्स ऑन रेडियो एडू टीचर. सो विथ मी चित्रा रोला. ऐसा कुछ भी जो आपको इंटरेस्ट करता है. ट्राई टू मेक एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट. उसको पहले लिख लीजिए, राइट इट डाउन, then speak it well, make it ready, because you never know when you get a call. So the day when you get a call, one thing, make your sample ready. Second thing, be a little mind prepared for speaking on some impromptu topics. Like for example, if I just say, tell me about yourself, and you've got just 30 seconds. So what comes to your mind? Can I hear you?
Hello.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Barsha ma'am. This is Chitra Rola. So could you please repeat the question?
I was just asking somebody if let's say the question is to me. I went to a radio station and I was auditioned and I was said, okay, Barsha, you've got 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, you have to describe yourself in one word and why that one word describes you. Okay? So your time starts now. Okay, hello, namaste everybody. I am Barsha Chabaria. The one word which describes me is adventure. And if you say 3 words, it is adventure, adventure, and adventure. Only because of an adventure, you will try to excavate more. And I love being a nomad because the more you have that urge to have that adventure, you explore more, you know new things. I love knowing new things and learning new things. So that's all about me. I think my 10 seconds are over. Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
So
thank you.
Something like this. See, you would be asked any kind of question. Embrace that question with an open heart. Just don't, stress yourself, but be yourself. That's the main criteria. And while being yourself, you'll have to actually give your entire mind to the topic you are given to. So I could see this question, how to begin with this career. Now to begin with this career, like I said, make your voice sample. Please make a voice sample of yours. Please make yourself mind ready of speaking on any kind of topics, given to you. Okay. You should be a very, very interactive person. Please have interest in advertisements. Please work on some voice modulations. I'm sure when we see advertisements, for example, सर्फ एक्सेल है और इसके पीछे टैगलाइन आती है दाग अच्छे हैं. Only 3 words. In these 3 words, the voiceover artist actually puts her life so much on that I love the voice delivery. These 3 words can be surf excel. दाग अच्छे हैं, अरे दाग अच्छे हैं, सुना आपने? दाग अब अच्छे हो गए. Why? Because दाग is something, stain is something which we are all so afraid of. अरे भैया कपड़े में दाग लग गया, अब धोना पड़ेगा, मिटाना पड़ेगा, क्या कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Now the Surf Excel with these three words, this is called the tagline. You can practice it with fun, and that's how the voice modulation comes to you. I always advise people to follow more, listen more. Listening is the biggest practice here. Yes, we have very less books on radio. I admit that. I myself, making myself prepared. Very soon, I'll be bringing some document about radio so that people can learn. Because during this time, I've been interacting so much with people. Everybody wants to know more about radio, all forms of radio, radio elements. How do we work on radio? So probably I'll be bringing some document or some literature very soon so that people can benefit from this field. But practice it more. Do a lot of voice exercises. See, a lot of us do have breathing concerns. A lot of us also have being nervous, such concerns. You have to actually, work on those. Each of us has a different vocal quality. Each one of us has a different health quotient. So try to ease out yourself before you speak with somebody. Either you do some voice exercises, do some inhale, exhale, walk a little, listen to some favorite music, and have more of the interest. The more you can speak spontaneously, the more you can make your own niche. And I could see one question: where to post our recorded voice sample? Rajni Nagpal ji, thank you so much for this question. Rajni ji, you can make your voice sample if you are a podcaster, post it there. If you have a Facebook account, post it there. If you have an Insta account, post it there or make it ready. Share it with your friends so that at least you can have critical advices. Yes, be open to criticisms. And the more critics you have, the more improvisations you can have. And believe me, if you ask me, I feel I'm also learning even today because I just shared from where I started. And learning is absolutely the homework for every day, my everyday preparation. So that's how. Some Munira ji has asked, what are the basic qualification to enter this career? Very important question. Thank you so very much. See, this is a field of journalism and mass communication. Of course, the minimum qualifications should be you should be 12th passed, right? Apart from this, a graduation degree in journalism and mass communication is preferred to the extent of on a higher percentile because this is a field of journalism and mass communication. But having said that, some of us really have that spark to, break all barriers. So don't stop from applying anywhere. Don't stop yourself from applying in any which kind of opportunity, be it paid, unpaid, be it freelance opportunity. Sometimes you're given an opportunity to participate in a contest. I know a lot of people who participated through a contest. They participated so well that then they made it their way to the mainstream career because some voices are so typically different, so alluring that we want to hear them more. I'm sure most of us have seen that movie of Vidya Balan. Vidya Balan ji has brought two great movies in the field of radio, and that's how Good Morning Mumbai has become so popular. And her next movie was Tumhari Sullu. Has anybody seen that? If you have seen this movie,
Yes,
yes,
yes, we have seen.
she was a listener.
Amazing.
Amazing, yes. Because in both the movies, the point to be followed is you should have your inner spark, unstoppable. You should actually be so confident about making your own product ready. Be ready for critics also, because the critics will help you to sharpen yourself and get rid of the flaws. Everybody of us is actually working towards perfection, and in the process of becoming perfect, there would be flaws. A lot of us also, have pronunciation or diction issues. In due course of time, these all can be improvised. I always say no voice is bad. There's nothing called a bad voice. Every voice is good. Few are a little more good, few are better, few are best, and few are like there's no word for it. And few are like you want to listen to them more. So how to become that voice which is above good, good, and good? So this comes with time, and this also comes with your persona. You know what? रेडियो इज सच अ फील्ड. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ हिंदी में, यहाँ कुछ दिखता नहीं है लेकिन बहुत कुछ बिकता है. the only field in the world where you cannot see anything. It is only through the voice. And that's why many of us start imagining the radio jockey, right? How a lot of us fell in love with them, even if we have not met them. A lot of us also write, their names in our race, in our diaries. We write messages to them. We write letters to them. Why? Because you fell in love with them just because of their voices. Right? I'm sure many of us are agreeing to this silently. I had these kind of experiences. But okay, now Anu Sharma ji has posted this question. How should we approach radio station or NCRT with voice sample? Okay, good question, Anu ji. Thank you so much for this. Wherever you're located, in any which part of the world, start exploring which radio stations are located nearby to you. Also, please search about some internet mode of radios. These are very convenient because no matter where you are located, you can still become a part of that radio station. But then leave it up to the radio station what is they are looking forward to. Yes, embrace rejections. Rejections are also a very brilliant way for improvisations. If you search on Google, you will get to see many great voices have been rejected by radios, but then they worked on themselves and then they became some universal voices today. So don't actually shy away from rejections. Keep on applying. So if this is an online mode, anywhere across the world you can apply. If you want a conventional form of radio, then location wise you'll have to see. But my advice to you is every conventional form of radio is actually coming on a digital platform. You will have to make yourself sooner or later very, very friendly to this platform, digital platform. Yet you can browse their email IDs. You can browse how to get in touch with them, email them. If you have a number, WhatsApp them, start, connecting with them. Uh, Voice modulation and intonation and diction. Okay, Dheeraj Bhargav ji. Okay, very nice question. This is a very, very, very critical question because I was just sharing this comes through a lot of practice. Okay, now if I say I am at this platform and I'm meeting a lot of teachers. I'm so very happy to see somebody called Saroja because one of my friends was Saroja. She was a very my dear friend. You know why? Because वो छुपा छुपा के टिफिन लाती थी मेरे लिए. Oh, Sherlin ji, you make me remember my physics teacher. And let me tell you a secret, I was not good at physics. So Sherlin ji, you absolutely get my, thank you from here. चित्रा जी, CR. पता है ये नाम मुझे क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है? इसलिए कि CR का फुल फॉर्म कम्युनिटी रेडियो भी होता है. तो समवेयर जब मैं आपकी डीपी देख रही हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप मुझे बार बार रेडियो के लिए याद दिलाती हैं. Now this modulation is actually a blend of expression, how you feel. So somewhere it is not about high voices and low voices. It is about expressing the voices, sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes equally, and sometimes making it actually neutral. So modulation is that, was a question. Intonation, and these again, I would say these are voice practices. Do join some webinars wherever you get an opportunity. Practice it more with your voice. First thing you can do, all of you can, even I do this every day, is with yourself is record something, listen to yourself. The first question, do you love your voice? The answer after this is, if you really love your voice, then two things. Either that's the end of the story because you have no scope to go ahead. अगर आप इतना ही खुद को प्यार करते तो इसका मतलब फिर आगे आपको नहीं है ज़्यादा कुछ करने का. लेकिन अगर आप इतना प्यार करते हैं कि और प्यार करना चाहते हैं and you really want to, how love is beyond any boundaries, then perhaps you got it. So each day you can record yourself. You will get to listen that as a listener, if you want to become a presenter, you have to first become a listener. Listen more, then only you can present more. Few very, very good practices which a lot of radio practitioners do and a lot of great radio presenters do is read more, know more, talk more, and express more, right? Learn more. Because here, unless you have gathered knowledge, you can't speak on a certain topic. If somebody, count that time. If you're recording yourself, count the time. If after, there would be some of us, after 20 seconds, they are like, oh, that's it. That means we don't have much to say. There'll be some of us who after 50 seconds are saying, okay, see you soon, right? There'll be some of us who are speaking over a minute and they are speaking more. Now, the inference for each one of us is different. One who has spoken for just 20 seconds need a little work out for themselves. You are lacking in content because you don't have much to say. Somebody who is stopping at 50 seconds, uh, you're somewhere a little ahead, but then you need to spice it up more. If you are a person with a lot of okay and then what do I say? So you need to make your homework on the flow. You are lacking in the flow. These are some words where you are actually trying to make up a mindset to join words, right? If you are somebody who is speaking, but it is like for on and on, then you need to become a crispy content person. Radio is a field where you have content but crispy, and the presentation is actually different. So your homework counts, right? Gurpreet Kaur ji, uh, and it is written SEL. May I please know, Gurpreet ji, which city are you from? Which location have you joined us from? You have asked us a question. If we want to
Ma'am,
start, yeah,
I am from Delhi
okay.
and SEL is my organization,
What is the full
yeah.
form of this organization?
Shri Educare Limited.
Great, wonderful. Okay, for community radio stations, let me please tell you these licenses are given either to educational institutes like yours or NGOs or registered groups like KVK. You should be an organization which operates at least for 3 years. Okay, you can apply it to the Government of India. mib.gov.in is the website. You can get in touch with this website and you'll get in touch with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. You'll get to see all rules and regulations. You can apply that. Since you have been working in this organization, how old is your organization? Is it 3 years old and more?
It's more than 8 years, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, see, when you apply for a license, you should have a motto and mission. Like your educational organization wants to apply for a community radio. Why? How do you want to touch base with the community? Because community radio is aimed for the service of the community. If it is aimed to bring health awareness for the community, it will be a radio station which brings more of health awareness. If it is like an educational based community radio, it will speak about more on education because you feel the area where you are located in actually need awareness about education. So you should have your homework ready for this. Why do you want to open up a community radio? And yes, after there are several procedures, and the ministry also organizes lot of free workshops for community radio awareness. I myself have been a resource person in many of them, but keep an eye on them. In major dailies, you'll get to see radio advertisements where they are calling people an organization, groups, specifically people who are representing such groups, to join such workshops and know more about how to open up a community radio, what kind of programs are played on a community radio. So that's how. But then, if you really want to extend the spark of education which your organization is already bringing in, so perhaps you can always, have your team ready and start it on an online mode. Maybe you can start a platform for SEL, and that shows like you have been uh, eagerly wanting the community to join you. That is why by the time you must have applied for a license, you already started with some initiative which we would touch base. Okay, a very nice question. This is something which I always answer. Gitanjali ji, good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much for this question. The question is difference between podcast and radio. Okay, podcast is a platform, a digital platform, mostly available free, where you can upload an audio and you can upload your program. If you want to speak on a health issue, if you want to speak on any educational program, you can upload that program, make it available, share it in your social media circles, share it with your friends, with your known ones, make them listen, and you should have a focus, as in maybe you want people to learn or you are just sharing your experiences. Radio is a complete technically packaged field where a program will come in a different way. Podcasters may be amateurs, they might not have jingles, they might not have that audio quality, they might not have that editing expertise, they might not have the know-how of the technicalities. They might not have the idea of the promo about their programs. So podcasters are, I would say, learners who have or beginners. Radio is absolutely something which you would love to listen the first time, like love at the first hear. So something like that. Experienced way of presenting your voice samples is radio, and learning way of presenting your voice is podcast. Okay, Madhu Balaji is asking us where to apply for license to be in. Ma'am, if you are trying to apply for a community radio, mib.gov.in, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. You can log on to the website, and you can see how you can apply. Wherever is your location, I can suggest you for the location. Where are you located at, Madhu Balaji? Dheeraj was asking us for voice modulation and intonation and diction. See all, and he also asked us, no idea where should I start. It should start from your self practice. Every guru makes you learn some expertise in the best way. All of us have started our learnings from a teacher, right? Even the teacher started their learnings from a teacher somewhere. All of us have a teacher. So the teacher is required because the teacher has an expertise in that particular field, right? And learn by following also. Follow radio jockeys, follow people whom you love to listen to, follow how people become a little popular. One thing really different. There have been a lot of YouTubers who gain popularity. I I differ a little from here. Like YouTubers are actually bringing some idea which they believe in and they want to share. YouTube is a platform to share. But yes, radio jockeys or radio presenters also come on the platform of radio. But when radio presenters, and if I believe all of you want that radio element inside you, so please do not drift from content, and content in the sense be a little crispy and connect. So your content is what is that you're speaking on. Content in the sense make it a little crispy so that the radio factor is there. And how do you connect with people? Is it something which we really need to listen to, or else you really give us a different idea to know about? Like how we have so many biscuits available in the market, but then a lot of us like the taste of one. That is why it is ordered more. So because it is delivering us something different. Now this biscuit gives us glucose content. So mothers really run after that biscuit. Okay, my child needs this biscuit because it has got glucose, right? Okay, now glucose biscuit has so many varieties, but my child likes this because this is so good in the colors. My child like colors. Okay, now glucose biscuit colors. My child likes cream, so glucose biscuit in a cream flavor, right? Okay, again, but my child is really allured with this packaging. Okay, this biscuit has got some toy. I'm so thankful to this biscuit packet that my child gets not only the glucose, because which is what I want, it also gets that cream. My child is really crazy for that cream. He also gets a toy. Thank you so very much. So this is how you add on to your audio benefits, right? So we can all open up a diary today and write on, what is that makes us different. Somebody is asking us to type the link again. MIB, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting .gov.in. mib.gov.in. Okay. Eligibility criteria. Ma'am, eligibility criteria for a radio jockey, are you asking me? Eligibility in what context are you asking? Is it for opening a radio station or for a radio jockey? Okay, let me answer both. If you are asking what are the eligibility criteria while applying for a radio jockey, then it is basic, you should be 12th passed. If you have mass communication and journalism's degree, graduation degree, good, preferred, little practice, voice samples ready, and your audition and interaction. Applying for a radio jockey. Okay, that's what I got it right. So apply to radio jockeys. Okay, how do you do your homework? Like when we go for an interview, you should know about that company, right? Like if I'm applying at AA company, I should know what does AA do, what is AA known for. So you should know every radio has a different tagline, different bent of programs. You can search them on social media sites, Google them out, watch out their websites, interact with on any number to know more. And then whenever you apply, your program should be in their taste, right? Then only they'll be able to decide if you fit their bill. Okay, how to apply? We were just discussing this. Locate the radio stations nearby you, search out their email IDs, send your CV to them, send your voice samples to them. Yeah, and you can still apply. Okay, I would like to also advise you on your voice texture. When we listen to voice, I'm sure that something is which we all want to know about the process. How does my voice sound? Okay, can I listen to Arshi ji? Arshi ji, just tell me your name. Hello, my name is Arshi. Arshi Ali ji, can you hear me? Saroja ji, can you hear me? Saroja ji, can we hear you? You can just tell me your name. Say this line to me. Hi, I am Saroja.
Hi, I am Saroja.
Okay. Are you speaking through the earphone or you are on a speaker mode?
Earphone.
Okay. So, do you ever have this issue of overbreathing? Because currently, when you said you could have done a little inhale and exhale, there was a breathe throw on the mic. So, when you said, "Hi, I'm Saroja," so we were wanting to have a little more clarity. Okay. So whenever you speak, you can try doing inhale and exhaling before you speak. Okay, I can see Jyoti ji. Jyoti ji, can I hear you? If you can just say, hello, I'm Jyoti.
Hello, I'm Jyoti.
Okay, Jyoti ji, you've got a style in your voice. And you definitely can, work on your content and try and apply. And wherever you are located, only that what you can do is you can prepare on more of your content. And I'm sure you are good at modulations. Okay. I can see Arjun ji. Arjun ji, let me listen to you. Can you just tell me, hi, I'm Arjun. Arjun ji, can you hear me? Okay, let's go to Madhu Balaji because this was her question applying for a radio jockey. Madhu Balaji, can you just give us a voice note? Hi, I'm Madhu Bala. Madhu Balaji, can you hear me? I can see more names. Okay. Arjunji, if you can. Okay, Rupa ma'am. Okay, Rupa ma'am, can we hear you? Hi, I'm Rupa.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello, everyone. I'm Rupa here.
Okay, ma'am, you've got that little curl in your voice. You know what is a curl? जैसे आपकी आवाज में एक गाते वक्त जो मुर्कियां होती है ना, hello, Rupa. Only that आप थोड़ा सा conscious हो जाती है मुझे लगता है.
Yeah, shayad, yeah, that's what I think.
That's what I said. Do that, voice listening skill exercise so that you can know what is that you can work on your voice. Anybody who wishes to get in touch with me, my name is Barsha, Barsha. A little interesting if you would love to know about my name is Varsha, which means rain. And my mother tongue is Sindhi. My surname is Chabaria, but I was born and brought up in the city of joy called Kolkata. So वहाँ व नहीं होता, वहाँ बॉ होता है. So my name is with Barsha, Barsha Chabaria. I'm on Facebook and I'm on Instagram. If you can Google, you'll get to see a little about me. So I'm sure, I'll be really very happy to help you in whichever thing. I do a lot of, meetings and I help people if they want to make a career in voiceovers or in radio. I keep on writing little articles and keep on sharing blogs where they can learn about this field, right? Okay, Chitra ji has her hand up. Anybody would like to make their voice listen? I can help you in knowing how your voice sounds.
Yeah, hi, Barsha.
Yes. Good evening.
Yeah,
ma'am.
I would like to share something with you. I have just penned down listening to your webinar.
Okay.
So teaching is a noble profession. It requires a skill like communication. Outside the four walls, if you wish to reach out to the society, do you know a teacher can be also be a radio jockey? I never thought of this idea. ये webinar ने एक नया मोड़ दिखा दिया. To achieve success, there are many ways. क्यों ना अब टीचर्स भी रेडियो में भी अपना जलवा दिखा दें. Thank you.
Amazing, ma'am. You seem to be, already starting your preparation. Really very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. और आप, मुझे लगता है आपको कविताओं का भी शौक है. Do you love poetry?
Right.
Okay. You know what? See, there's something called voice scope. I'm not talking about horoscope. I'm talking about voiceoscope. How does a voice has a scope? Sometimes you get to listen to voices. You understand kiski voice stressed hai. Somebody who eats more of pickles. That is why you've got something in the vocal cord where the voice has got some issue maybe. Few of us have a breathing issue. Few of us, have a bent on, doing the swirls. Few of us like songs. So the kind of bend, the sways, the waves, जो लहरें वाला इफेक्ट आप बोलते वक्त ला रही थी मैम, तो उससे ये समझ में आया कि आप कविताओं का शौक रखती हैं.
Absolutely.
जो आपको करना चाहिए, बी अ लिटिल माइक फ्रेंडली ऑल्सो. जब हम किसी वेबिनार में भी आते हैं तब भी देखिए हम अपना माइक बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में रखते हैं ताकि हमारी ब्रीदिंग डिस्टर्ब न करे या हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो सही से न सुनाई दे, तो ऐसा भी ना हो. सो माइक फ्रेंडली मीन्स keeping it at a very very safe distance from where your voice can be heard. Don't keep it very close to your mouth because it will become a muffled voice.
Okay.
Right? And don't mistreat the mic. How in societies, etc., whenever we do some programs or events, and when we take the mics, a lot of people, do mic testing. So the testing is to just understand how do I sound. Keep it at a safe distance and keep it how everybody can listen to you very, very clearly.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Right. Thank you for these tips.
Most welcome, ma'am. And let's learn together. And I would love that I could hear everybody, and this because this great opportunity of this webinar is absolutely great. And I would love to come again on a greater webinar in the next time webinar if I get this opportunity on this platform. I will definitely come with some to-dos. Teachers who have made their mindset to come to radio, and perhaps we can do for some practical exercises. This is how you should prepare. Today we did it more on an interaction basis because a brainstorming was really required. A know-how and discussion was really required.
Hello.
So, yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, Barsha ma'am. Madhubala here.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, Madhubala ji. Ma'am,
Can you get me?
Yes, yes.
Are you getting me? Okay. Ma'am, very good morning to very good evening to all. Hi, I'm Madhubala.
Okay. Ma'am, firstly, your name itself is such a loving name. Such a popular heroine in Bollywood had this name. और मधु बालाजी, मतलब हिंदी में जब इनका नाम बोलते हैं तो अपने आप में वो कहते हैं ना प्यार इश्क और मोहब्बत सब कुछ हो जाता है.
Thank you so
जब
much,
अपना
ma'am.
नाम
Thank you so
बोले,
much.
my advice to you is all of us have to introduce our names first, right? जब भी आप जाएं, the first thing is say hello, I'm this, hello, I'm Rupa, hello, I'm Chitra, hello, this is Saroja. Love your name so much. तो अपनी नाम से, अपनी आइडेंटिटी से बेइंतहा प्यार होना चाहिए और आपके ऊपर है आप कितना प्यार से इस नाम को बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ऑन यू. व्हेन आई से माय नेम, हेलो माय नेम इज वर्षा, और जब आप अपना नाम मधुबाला बोले तो मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी थोड़ा और इश्क और प्यार जरूर डालिए इसमें. ये नाम अपने आप में बहुत प्यारा है और आपके साथ दो चीजें हैं, आपके साथ ही मिठास है मैम, मधु भी है और बाला. तो do that. And yes, of course, you don't have, I don't think there is any kind of issue in your voice, but then every voice does change over a certain platform. Voices change over when they are heard over telephonic platforms, when they are heard over studio.
Varsha ji?
Yes,
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I'll try my level best, ma'am. I'll try my level best.
all the best. All the best. Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
Hello.
Sorry to disturb you in between. Like I just
No,
felt
okay.
that you are more like a psychologist than a radio jockey. You just decipher each and every voice. So like it was just
No,
can
because
just
today I've come as an educator, not as a presenter. Remember the theme. The theme
okay,
is
but
to educate.
definitely the way you were describing it, I just feel like you were just seeing, watching the
Because I'm
personality
working so
of
much
each and
because lately in many years I've been educating people throughout, and I'm
Hmm.
telling them, if you want to come to this field is not. If you think I'm really very talkative, and I can, join this field, then there are little more changes. It's not being about talkative, and radio jockey is not the only thing. I'm sure a lot of us, want to, fit themselves into this field through voices. Few of us write well. Few of us are trying to open up their own radio station. So perhaps in some other radio program, if I could make you listen to one of my advertisements, few of my programs. So, I would love to share. But yes, a lot of my programs are available on social media platforms. You could definitely listen.
Hello.
Yes, I can listen to some male voice. Is that Rajiv ji?
Yes, Rajiv. Here.
Okay. Yes, Rajiv ji.
Yeah, ma'am, sir, good evening. For the just sake of voice testing,
Uh-huh.
I would like to read out my own quote which I have published in my book.
Okay.
मैं सपनों को अरमान बनाकर रखता हूँ, जज्बातों का तूफान बनाकर रखता हूँ। तुम क्या गम के आने से मुझे डराते हो, मैं खुशियों को मेहमान बनाकर रखता हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया। क्या आप ये चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करके लिख सकते हैं?
जी जरूर। ये
Yes, किया जा सकता
मैंने
है।
हाल ही में अपनी कविता पब्लिश कराई है।
ओह,
तो
बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको।
ये एक्चुअली एक बुक है ही पब्लिश कराया है अपना, उसमें से एक कविता छाट कर आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ।
ओह ग्रेट। मैं आपको बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट बताती हूँ अपने बारे में। बहुत सारे लोग जो कविताएं लिखते हैं, कई लोग डायरियों में लिखते हैं, कई लोग उन डायरियों को छुपा कर रखते हैं, कई लोग व्हाट्सएप पर नोट्स बनाकर लिखते हैं, कई लोग आपकी तरह किताबों में लिखते हैं। मुझे बहुत सारे लोग अपनी कविताओं को आवाज देने के लिए कहते हैं। तो क्या आप अपनी ये चंद लाइनें यहाँ लिखना चाहेंगे? आई वुड लव टू शेयर इट right now. So I would love to read it, and I'm sure if somebody wanted to listen to me, I could give them an audio glimpse. So more on these years, if you would search about me, I have been, celebrating my journey. Not only I started my journey as a script writer, and then I, was escalated and promoted as a producer. I started helping people in the content, and then I became, the radio presenter. Lately, I became a presenter for various kind of programs. I was doing midday programs. I was doing late evening programs, confession band programs, where people used to tell all about their lives about me. ईच एंड एवरी प्रोग्राम जो आवाज आप सुबह सुनते हैं वो एक अलग तरीके की आवाज होती है, पेपी और बहुत शानदार आवाज होती है। जो आप मिड डे में सुनते हैं दैट इज मोर ऑफ द चिट चैट बॉक्स वॉइस एंड कनेक्टिंग वॉइस ऑफ कोर्स। जिन वॉइसेस को आप रात को सुनते हैं वो एक अलग ही किस्म का जादू लाने वाली वॉइसेस होते हैं, जो इस तरह की वॉइस होती है जहां आप वाकई में अपना दिल खोल के रख देना चाहते हैं। तो राजीव जी, इफ यू कैन शेयर इट इन द चैट बॉक्स। हैव यू जस्ट शेयर्ड? जी जी।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Your name, please.
Barsha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Could I talk to something?
बताएं, आपका नाम बताएं मैम।
मैम मधुबाला है here.
हाँ जी, मधुबाला।
मैम मैं आपके लिए 2-4 लाइन बोलना चाहती हूँ जो मैंने जस्ट अभी प्रिपेयर की।
अरे वंडरफुल, अमेजिंग। जी जी
allow
जी।
allow me to speak up. आपको सुनकर ये एहसास हो गया मेरे दिल में कोना कुछ खास हो गया। आपको सुनकर ये एहसास हो गया मेरे दिल का एक कोना खास हो गया। अब तो चाहत है आपसे मिलने की और आपको सुनने की, बस ऐसा ही थोड़ा सा दर्द का वो एहसास हो गया। थैंक यू सो मच।
क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर। आपको सुनकर ये एहसास हो गया और मेरे दिल का कोना कोना खास हो गया। क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर मैम। पूरी कविता मैं लिख नहीं पाई लेकिन ये पहली 2 लाइनें बहुत ही सुंदर। लोग कहते हैं
मैम अब आपको सुनने के बाद मैं जरूर इसे पूरा कर दूंगी और आपको एफबी पर आपको ज्वाइन करूंगी।
जरूर
Then I send you over there.
जी जी जरूर करिए। राजीव जी, मैं आपकी कविता जरूर पढ़ना चाहूंगी क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों की कविताएं पढ़ी हैं, तो अगर आप चैट बॉक्स में शेयर कर पाए
जी
मीनवाइल।
अवश्य, मैं लिख रहा हूँ।
जी जी
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you what have you done in majors, like your qualification?
Okay,
Is it?
yeah. I was just sharing a minimum of 12th pass is always required. Yes,
Yeah.
graduation should add, and the more qualifications you have, the better.
No, actually, ma'am, I wanted to know, like, are you a English literature student or something like that?
No, no, absolutely not. I know a lot of languages. I'll tell you, मुझे बहुत सारी भाषाएं आती हैं और ये एक कारण रहा है कि रेडियो में मुझे बहुत सारे मौके इसलिए भी मिले। देखिए, मेरा नाम वर्षा छबारिया है, मेरी पैदाइश कलकत्ते की है, तो मुझे बंगाली भाषा आती है, राइट। मुझे नहीं पता कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म में कोई बंगाली भाषा जानते हैं या नहीं। मैंने बहुत सारे एड्स बंगाली भाषा में किए हैं। मुझे हिंदी आती है, अंग्रेजी आती है, और मेरी मातृभाषा सिंधी है। सिंधी एक भाषा है जो कि हिंदी और पंजाबी का मिश्रण होता है। तो सिंधी भाषा मेरी मातृभाषा होने के कारण मैंने पंजाबी में भी बहुत अच्छे डिक्शन को पिक करके बहुत सारे एड्स किए हैं। मैं मुंबई में रही हूँ काफी साल, तो मैंने महाराष्ट्रियन एड्स भी किए हैं। तो मुझे भाषाएं बहुत सारी आती हैं, बट आई वाज वंडरिंग कि परहैप्स ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म हम अंग्रेजी में अगर शेयर करें तो वो कनेक्टिंग होगा, क्योंकि टीचर्स हैं। I was trying to be a little more, connected. पर आप किसी भी भाषा में मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं।
Ma'am, I wanted to know, like, what was your basic nature, like, from your childhood? Is it that you were talkative extrovert? You were good at writing? Maybe all these qualities put together made you what you are today?
Okay, thank you so much for this question. This reminds me of my, notorious childhood. Okay, when I was a child, I was, not at all talkative. I was an introvert person, but I was very expressive. I was the first person to participate in the elocutions, the orations, storytelling, and I was very bright in education because I always wanted to learn more. In fact, I used to read books of my elder sister, just to know what does she study in her class. She was like 3 years elder to me. So my urge to learn more, I would participate in all small little feedback sessions by newspapers because I wanted to express, like how the listeners feedback sessions, the listeners feedback columns. I never left any opportunity to express myself. I would, my mother would always help me to buy those postcards and letters so that I could write them back to the newspapers or wherever I got an opportunity. I had a very peculiar kind of habit, and that's how my vocabulary was always different. I would always make new words, right? Like, God promised ki kasam. And, a new word called Ashakahanu. Now, Ashakahanu can be anything, like a super happy. So these new words, some new, brimming thoughts should always be in your mind. That's how a little few more personas have always been very, very different. And I've been always a person, come what may. I've always driven myself to drive out happiness in something. So, you should always be unwilling to stop. Nothing should stop you. And keep on traveling, keep on knowing more, keep on meeting people, keep on learning about people, keep on seeing how they really follow that field. If you are interested about any field, you will have an idol. So definitely have some idol in your life. So, okay, Rajiv ji has just posted his image. I don't know if I can see it clearly. Okay. Okay, so I'm reading out Rajiv ji's poetry, and thank you so much for sharing this. This is a wonderful poetry. But as a radio presenter, one of my favorite quotes. Yeah, somebody has to say something. So one of my very, very popularly shared radio quotes is, "Radio is a smile when you are glad. Radio is a laughter when you are sad. Radio is a push when you are still. And my dear friends, radio is a medicine when you are ill." And that is why जब ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कुछ सा थम गया है, एक रेडियो जॉकी की आवाज सुनकर आपको लगता है चलो कुछ नया शुरू किया जाए, आपको लगता है कि इतने बीमार से ख्याल जिंदगी में आ गए हैं कि अब नया कुछ सोचने का मन नहीं करता, तब आपको रेडियो की दुनिया से कोई एक दोस्त एक नई दवाई सा कोई ख्याल देता है और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अब मुझे दवाइयों की जरूरत नहीं, मैं फिर से तंदुरुस्त हो गया हूँ, मेरी सोच तंदुरुस्त हो गई है। तो इस तरह से रेडियो की दुनिया जो है वो हम सबको टच बेस करती है। रेडियो के साथ इतना खास है कि किसी भी एज के साथ टच बेस कर सकते हैं। आइए राजीव जी की लिखी इस कविता को कुछ शेयर करने की कोशिश करते हैं। I love voicing out many poetries, and lot of people, share their poetries with me only because they think I can express it better, or perhaps they love listening to me. So that's again a very, very great privilege to me. I take this as an opportunity. So Rajiv ji, thank you for this opportunity, and I will read this. इसका टाइटल है गजल। मैं सपनों को अरमान बनाकर रखता हूँ, जज्बातों का तूफान बनाकर रखता हूँ। तुम क्या गम के आने से मुझे डराते हो, मैं खुशियों को मेहमान बनाकर रखता हूँ। ऐ वक्त रहम करना उस पर, वो क्या है कि महबूबा को मैं जान बनाकर रखता हूँ। वो राम कहे या अल्लाह मुझे फिक्र नहीं, मैं बच्चों को इंसान बनाकर रखता हूँ। बाप हिमालय माँ ममता का सागर है, मैं घर में हिंदुस्तान बनाकर रखता हूँ। अक्सर लोगों से मिलता हूँ, हंसता हूँ और यूं ही जीवन आसान बनाकर रखता हूँ। अंधेरे की गुंजाइश नामुमकिन है, मैं दिल में रोशनदान बनाकर रखता हूँ। मैं इंसान हूँ, मुमकिन है गलती हो, लेकिन नजरो नियत नादान बनाकर रखता हूँ। गुर्बत हो या मुक्तसी, रसवाई हो, पर मिट्टी को भगवान बनाकर रखता हूँ। कुछ भी हो, झुकना मंजूर नहीं, राजीव मैं तुझको अपनी शान बनाकर रखता हूँ। Thank you so very much. I was reading it in the first go. So I am sure I did some justice to this. और दिल से मैं इसको पढ़ने में खुद को इंसान बनाकर रखता हूँ। बहुत सुंदर कविता है, आपने अपना दिल इसमें उड़ेल कर रखा है। जब मैं पढ़ रही थी तो गूज बम्स मुझे आ रहे थे। I don't know if I can show you. I had this goose bumps. तो होता है ना कि हम और देखिए
Hello, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Ma'am, Nikita. First of all, Rajiv sir, बहुत अच्छी poem थी. Ma'am, can you please judge my voice also? Actually, I was waiting, but एक के बाद एक कोई बोले जा रहा था.
आप एक बार मुझे सिर्फ इतना बताएं, tell me your name. Hi, I'm this Nikita.
So, my name is Nikita Chakravarti. I'm from Jabalpur.
Okay. आप बोलते वक्त बहुत मुस्कुराती हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, आपकी बड़ी साइलेंट मुस्कुराहट है, तो ये जो चकल हेडेड लाफ्टर है, ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ये ना थोड़ा चार्म डालती है। तो हाँ, निकिता फ्रॉम जबलपुर, और आपके साथ वो थोड़ा सा शायद आपकी हिंदी भी हिलती होगी जब आप बोलती हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात है। और आप सिर्फ मैं एडवाइस करूंगी, कभी शायद आप इस वक्त बैठ कर बोल रही हैं, आप कोशिश करिएगा खड़े होकर बोले, आपका थ्रोट और अच्छा आएगा, क्योंकि जिस तरह का वोकल कॉर्ड है आपका, आप टेस्ट करिएगा, फोन पर रिकॉर्ड करके भी आप सुन सकते हैं। बट यू हैव अ वेरी नाइस वॉइस एंड यू स्माइल विथ योर वॉइस, so probably you can understand that how I have been educating people, like testing the voice is just one part. So I've been doing lot many things, how to deliver the same line in different ways, how to do voice modulation, how do we do advertisements, how are taglines.
Can I try once again? Now I'm standing.
Okay, let's listen to you. Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I'm from Jabalpur.
See, if you have recorded the voice, the first voice had been little lagging in clarity. लेकिन जब आप खड़ी होती है, देखिए हमारा बॉडी पोस्चर भी उसका कारण होता है, राइट? जब आप वॉइस थ्रो देते हैं तो एक जगह पर बैठना, किस पोस्चर में आप बैठे हैं, you know the kind of energy you have, but when you stand, your posture adds to little more of the energy which comes through the vocal cord and it helps you. So I'll suggest you, आप जब भी बोलें, आप खड़े रहकर अगर बोलें तो बेटर है। ऐसा नहीं है कि बैठने पर आवाज गलत आती है, it depends from person to person. हो सकता है आप भी अगर बैठ के बोलें तो अपने पोस्चर को हमेशा रिलैक्स्ड करें। कई बार खड़े होकर आपके मसल्स टोन्ड आउट एंड रिलैक्स्ड हो जाते हैं, तो वो आपकी आवाज में आती है।
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So anybody else?
Good evening, Varsha. Good evening. Good evening, Varsha ma'am. I'm Punita this side, and a very good evening to everyone over here. It was really wonderful being with you, ma'am, and gave us a lot of information. And I'm totally new to this, and I'm really interested in this. So I just want to know, like, how should we start with it?
Okay. So firstly, at this point of time, क्या आपका माउथ पीस मुंह के बहुत पास है?
हाँ, मेरा yeah, my like
थोड़ा
yeah, I'm very close to the speaker right now.
यस, थोड़ा उसको डिस्टेंस में रखें क्योंकि माउथ पीस मुंह के पास होने के कारण मफल्ड आती है। आवाज आ रही है मैम, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा डिस्टेंस में हमेशा रखें। और क्योंकि हम वॉइस टेस्ट कर रहे थे तो आई वांटेड टू सजेस्ट यू नेक्स्ट अपनी तैयारी के लिए हम सजेस्ट कर रहे थे सभी को, जब हमने डिस्कस भी किया कि आप अपना वॉइस सैंपल बनाना शुरू करिए, स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग देम ऑन योर फोन। देयर आर पीपल आल्सो मेक होम बेस्ड स्टूडियोज दैट रिक्वायर लिटिल एक्सपर्टीज। Start connecting with a radio station who can audition you, who can give you an opportunity, right? And start knowing your expertise. क्या है जो आपको बहुत अच्छा आता है? Maybe आपको कुकरी बहुत अच्छी आती है, तो can you do some masala mix cookery show? Like you are a very great counselor, so can you do?
Ma'am, I'm good at cooking also, and ma'am, I am good in art and craft as well. So I would love to take art and craft classes as well. और मैम मुझे कई बार शायरी करना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। इस वक्त एक कुछ शायरी करना है। जिंदगी में टेंशन ही टेंशन है, फिर भी लबों पर मुस्कान है कि जीना जब अरसा है तो मुस्कुरा जीने में क्या नुकसान है।
बहुत सुंदर। और मुझे लगता है आप खुद भी इसमें बिलीव करती हैं और आपने उसको इस तरह से एक्सप्रेस भी किया, राइट? सो टू एवरीबॉडी रेडियो इज लाइक अ रिलीजन। मुझे खुद 18 वर्ष अब हो रहे हैं और ये मेरा 18वां वर्ष है और मैंने अपने डे 1 से सीखने की कोशिश की है। Nobody is a born presenter or a jockey, trust me, but then each one of us has a different quality. All what we know about ourselves is what can become our identity. So start chalking out, start knowing your expertise, listen more. If you do not have a content, then perhaps you will lack out in providing content to us and connecting with people. Everybody has a different charm. Why does it happen that the same poet lacks in a little charm in narrating his or her own poetry, but somebody else's voice perhaps gives it more of a life? So your voice should be clear. There are voice exercises which we do. Start applying for it. Make your team ready. Make your work ready. आप एक चीज का ख्याल जरूर रखें कि रेडियो में कोई नेगेटिव वर्ड या ऑब्जेक्शनेबल वर्ड नहीं बोला जाता है, राइट? तो जो भी शब्द आप बोलें वो बहुत पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए और कई बार आप खुद भी उसको लिख सकते हैं, उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, उसमें जरा सा स्टाइल दे सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ जैसे आपने लाइफ के ऊपर बोला तो वन ऑफ माय रेडियो प्रोग्राम वाज कॉल्ड ये मेरी लाइफ है। उसकी लाइनें ऐसी थी, प्रोमो की लाइन ऐसी थी, ये मेरी लाइफ है, ये मेरी लाइफ है, जिंदगी की दौड़ में मेरी भी तो चॉइस है, दिन भर काम करते करते म्यूजिक मस्ती भूल गई, सबका ध्यान रखते रखते अपने को ही भूल गई। ऐसे में आवाज आती है, ओ जाने मन तुम्हारे मेरे ख्यालात बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं, ये मेरी लाइफ है। लाइफ में अपना स्टाइल और तड़का देना ना भूलें, and bring out the special thing in you because it is all about you. So वो होना चाहिए, you should have that spark, you should feel what you are speaking और वो सुनाई देता है, right? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो मैम। हेलो मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम, जैसे कि आपने वॉइस का बताया पॉडकास्ट, ऐसी कोई और साइट भी होती है वेयर वी कैन राइट आवर सेल्फ कंपोज मटेरियल?
बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं, प्रतिलिपि हैं, बहुत सारी फ्री वेबसाइट्स भी होती हैं जहाँ पर अपना कंटेंट आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, राइट? एंड यू कैन मेक योर, आप अपना ब्लॉग शुरू कर सकते हैं। व्हाई डोंट यू स्टार्ट योर ओन ब्लॉग?
ओके।
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hi. I just loved it, ma'am. The way you kind of the stylish way you talk. I mean, it's must have been a lot of dedication and hard work. This is Shrirupa on the side. So it's amazing. I'm from Gopa. Yeah. Yeah, and how do you go about, getting to know people who are on the side of the radio? I mean, especially in Bhopal, it's a Hindi oriented, and I'm a Bengali, and I'm not that good at Hindi. So
Okay.
why would they choose me? I mean,
Okay.
how to go about it? If you could help
बहुत
me out,
अच्छा
it would be
question.
really good.
Very good question. See, I was born and brought up in Kolkata. My radio started in Kolkata, and
Oh, lovely.
और खास कारण ये भी था कि मुझे बंगाली बहुत अच्छे से आती थी, राइट? और मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में सबसे ज्यादा बंगाली बोली, मगर वहां मैं हिंदी को ज्यादा जान नहीं पाई, ज्यादा पढ़ नहीं पाई लिंग्विस्टिकली, राइट? इसीलिए मैं चाहती तो अपना रेडियो करियर मैं वही करती, तब कलकत्ते में ही कर सकती थी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी मुझे, बट आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑफ हिंदी, इसीलिए मैं हिंदी बेल्ट में ज्यादा पहुंची। मुंबई में, सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, मैं ग्वालियर में काम कर चुकी हूँ काफी साल, बिग एफएम के साथ भोपाल, इंदौर, इन सारे शहरों में भी मैं जा चुकी हूँ। तो भाषा को लेकर काम करने के लिए, जैसा आपने बताया कि आपको लगता है कि हिंदी पर ज्यादा काम करना चाहिए, बिलीव मी एक समय पर मुझे भी यही लगता था। तो इसके लिए मैंने अपना हिंदी का अध्ययन ज्यादा रखा। खूब पढ़िए हिंदी के बारे में, जितना आप पढ़ेंगे उतना ही बोल पाएंगे, क्योंकि इफ यू डू नॉट रीड, people who do not read cannot speak, you know, because you don't have any content. आप पढ़ेंगे तभी आप बोल पाएंगे। पहला पायदान जो है आपका वो पढ़ना है, राइट? खूब पढ़िए, हिंदी में वार्तालाप करिए, अपनी वॉइसेस में आप पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं, रेडियो से
वार्तालाप
जुड़िए।
करते हैं मैम, बट क्या होता है उसमें थोड़ा सा जो ग्रामर के एरर होता है तो हो जाता है, तो उससे हमें भी थोड़ा सा परेशानी होती है, अदरवाइज इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन।
But then I'm really sure, you know, Bengali and English would be your strong language areas.
Yeah,
So you can
they are absolutely.
Do that, because today radio is open to all languages.
Okay.
Right? Why act like
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Thank you so
Good evening,
much.
ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, good
वर्षा
evening, ma'am. जी मैम, नाम बताएं अपना।
हाँ, नमस्कार, मैं रेखा हूँ। मैं आपका वॉइस बहुत अच्छा लगा, सुंदर लगा, और बहुत दिनों से बॉम्बे में थे, तो कुछ मराठी में कुछ 2 शब्द बोलिए।
नववर्ष की शुभेच्छा जरूर दूंगी, क्योंकि आने वाला नया साल है, पता नहीं कभी मुलाकात हो, मैं चाहूंगी जल्दी मुलाकात हो। तो मराठी में मैंने कई बार अपने दोस्तों को विश किया है, तुमच्या सर्वांनी नववर्षाचे हार्दिक शुभेच्छा, गुड़ी पड़वाचे हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। और श्रीरूपा मैम, आप बंगाली में हैं, तो আপনাকে জানাই দুর্গাপুজোর খুব খুব শুভেচ্ছা, আর নবমীর দিনকে খুব ভালো রান্না করে খাবেন আপনি, আর সবাইকে জানাই প্রণাম, ছোটদেরকে খুব খুব ভালোবাসা,
অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। অনেক
হ্যাঁ।
শুভেচ্ছা ম্যাম। Would my voice work? I really don't know. I mean, I don't know how the modulation is.
Okay.
I haven't tested ever. Will I say a Marathi poem which I know? Can I say a Marathi poem which I know?
Yes. Why don't you share? Let's have this platform more.
It's a poem for children. इवल्यासा पायामध्ये इवल्यासा चेंडू, ढेकीता मी धाया धाबे दुरु दुरु दुरु, इवल्यासा सेपटीची ताडी कामान, मनी माऊच बाळकसा गोरे गोरे पान।
बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर।
Thank you so much.
I'm sure we were able to learn and share a lot of new ideas about radio. बहुत ज्ञान चक्षु जरूर खुले होंगे कि टीचर्स रेडियो में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। आप बहुत सारी चीजों में जुड़ सकते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग में जुड़िए, प्रोग्राम में जुड़िए, आप प्रोमोज में जुड़िए, एड बनाने के लिए जुड़िए, आप फ्रीलांस जुड़िए, आप फुल टाइम जुड़िए। कई दफा आपको मौका दिया जाएगा एक्सपेरिमेंटल वे में जुड़ने का, no matter if you're not paid. Even I started my career where I was not paid, because I had this passion, I wanted to excavate the field. So don't shy away from learning. आप जरूर जुड़िए वर्कशॉप्स के साथ, ट्रेनिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ। ये याद रखिए, जिंदगी में कोई भी लर्निंग जो है वो कभी जाया नहीं जाती। हर वो शिक्षा जो आपने कभी भी सीखी हो, मैं अपनी पूरी जिंदगी कुछ पढ़ती रहती हूँ, मतलब आई हैव 3 पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्रीज, 3 ग्रेजुएशन डिग्रीज, I've done a lot of diplomas, मैं workshops करती रहती हूँ और ऐसे बहुत सारे experiences हैं मेरे पास. मैं फिर भी learn इसलिए करती रहती हूँ, इसलिए क्योंकि नया सीखने के लिए आपको सोचना नहीं चाहिए. Keep on learning, everything helps you, everything, and all of those have helped me. You know, like I keep on doing some radio production courses. I keep on doing some diploma courses in business administration because I had a radio station, so I have to administer. And I keep on doing some PR exercises courses because you know public relations is also is an important part and parcel of my arena. So that helps me. So that's how. So don't shy away from learning wherever you get an opportunity. Do that because this field is the call of tomorrow. Believe me, everything and psychologically, the more friendlier you become a part of something which is in audio, people who become a part of radio industry have a bigger way. People from radio go to advertisement agencies, they give voiceovers, they do animations, they do voiceovers for YouTube channels. A lot of YouTube channels are demanding for voices because they are in search of some perfect voices. Only that you need to mentor your voice well. Get in touch with some trainer. And that is why, you know, I was trying to help out with a lot of you by listening to your voice. All of us have a different voice, but we just speak casually, right? We don't speak the way it should be spoken in radio. So you have to take care of that. So there are a lot many things, but yes, uh, don't take it as a duty, take it as a beauty. वो आपको इतना इतना दिल से आपको छूना चाहिए कि ये एक चीज है जो मुझे जीवन में करनी है कि आप कम वॉट में उसके लिए समय निकालते हैं, आई कम वॉट में उसके लिए होमवर्क करते हैं, आई आई यू नो आई वुड से लाइक देयर आर लॉट मेनी पीपल कि वो कम सो लेते हैं, जितना भी थक जाए लेकिन इसके लिए डेडिकेटेड वे में अपना होमवर्क जरूर करते हैं. मैं अगर अपनी बात बताऊं कि जब मुझे रेडियो में करियर बनाना था, मैं बसेस वगैरह में भी ट्रैफिक करती थी, कोई थॉट मुझे आता था तो मैं बस की टिकट के पीछे लिख लेती थी. मुझे पता ही नहीं कि मैं ऐसा क्यों करती थी, लेकिन यू नो नथिंग वुड हैव स्टॉप्ड मी. आई वुड ऑलवेज कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस. आई वुड से इट केप्ट ऑन यू नो ड्राइविंग मी, it kept on always alluring me. No matter, yes, my mother wanted me to become an academician because I was very bright at studies. My father wanted me to pursue MBA. I was equally doing my postgraduate degrees, and perhaps I would have joined a corporate field. But you know, the first audition letter of All India Radio, I had nothing in my mind, only that a big yes, and that's where I started it from. And I'm still learning till day to day. At this junction, I feel it's high time that I could give it back to the society. Lot of us, you know, still need to know about radio. Radio jockey is not the only word of radio. रेडियो मतलब रेडियो जॉकी लगता है, ऐसा नहीं है. बातूनी होना मतलब रेडियो, ऐसा नहीं है. रेडियो में सिर्फ बोलना पड़ता है, ऐसा नहीं है. रेडियो में लिखने वाले भी हैं. रेडियो जॉकी तो सबसे आखिरी में आता है, और स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स तो पहले ही कंटेंट ड्रिवन कर चुके होते हैं. जो अलग सोच रखने वाले होते हैं वो आपके प्रोग्रामिंग चैम्प्स होते हैं, जो आपका कंटेंट डायरेक्ट करते हैं. रेडियो पर एक कार्यक्रम अलग कैसे आएगा? You know, if I don't know how much time I have, but then do fill in the feedback link, my dear friends, and this will be really endearing for me to know from you. I would love to hear all from you. How did you like the session? For me, it was a very heart-touching session because I really want to make radio, giving it back to everybody so that everybody can learn about radio. This is one field which is like living your life to the fullest and living it like a religion altogether, a different passionate field. If anybody
one question.
Yeah.
Can I ask you one question,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes,
If
please.
we want to get in touch with you regarding knowing a little bit more, could we do that? Because you know, getting in touch with such a person who's so busy, I don't think it's possible always. But if your mail ID or somewhere, we can just leave a line and you can get back to us maybe
Sure.
when you're free or.
My name is Barsha Chabaria, and you can touch base with me on Facebook or on Instagram, and you can search me out with my pic. You'll find me, you know, speaking with Mike every time. I've been a public speaker, so I speak at many spaces, and I would love to share something. And perhaps I might invite you to a few more sessions I'm organizing in days to come. Do join for a brain shaking session about radio, so that we can know about what terminologies are used in radio, what is that we can get prepared of. So as of today, we were interacting more that how one should get prepared about radio and what is that you can do. So start learning, start knowing your voice, start learning about your voice, start making your content, be a little expressive, make your voice sample, get in touch with some radio, get in touch with some radios who are digitally available, see if there are some radio courses available, see if there are some radio workshops available. Don't shy away from, joining them. That will be really, really helpful for you.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Yes. What a beautiful session. This was one of the most interesting sessions till date, Barsha ma'am, for a variety of reasons. The first one being, it was a completely audio session for the first time. It was one of the most engaging sessions, I would say, and maybe that explains the power of vocal communication, because you had mesmerized us for the last 1.5 hours without absolutely with only using your audio. And second, we had so many amazing teachers who shared their talent. I didn't know that there were so many talented teachers in the community. It is so nice to see teachers sharing the poems that they've written, and all the amazing content that they've shared. And number three. So because you were saying about voice, I was just reading about how the entire voice market is growing over the last couple of years, and I'd like to share some of the insights that I had learned. Number one is that voice search is probably the fastest growing industry that is there. 28% search queries are currently voice based. In fact, the growth of voice search queries is growing at 270% year on year. And interestingly, podcast audience is growing at 300% year on year. And this is probably the most interesting time that teachers can explore entering into podcasting, sharing their amazing content, ideas with their fellow teachers or their students. But it's probably the most interesting time because according to all the podcasters who have made it big currently, this is the time where there's massive influx of new audience that new content creators can take use of. And going forward, podcasting is said to be one of the most successful industries. And I would definitely it is amazing that you have shared your insights over this entire industry and how voice can be used to create amazing interactions even via online, right? We are all connected from various parts of India, but what has connected us is your session today. So thank you so much, Barsha ma'am. It was one of the most beautiful sessions we had till date. I have personally enjoyed to a great extent, and I would it would be amazing if you would take this collaboration forward, and you keep sharing your ideas with the educator community. So thank you so much for taking the time and sharing your insights. So dear teachers, please follow Barsha ma'am on Instagram and Facebook, and her Twitter handle is also mentioned on the screen. You can you can share your thoughts on Twitter and tag us and let us know about what your thoughts are on the current session, and it'll be great to hear from you. So thank you so much again for joining us. During it's a Sunday evening, and I'm really glad that we had one of the most beautiful starts to this week in a very creative manner. So thank you once again, Barsha ma'am.
Thank you so very much. It was amazing. And, I could pour my heart out. I could share all throughout what I had learned. I equally agree. Amazing teachers and so much of learnings. Many of the teachers and mostly all of them are so talented. I guess, the radio field would brim with more voices. And as we all know, a lot of many radio stations are going to come up in the country. So when we will have requirements, we will definitely require good voices, prepared voices. So my advice to all is let us be a little prepared. I would look forward for a few more sessions where if I get this opportunity, I would love, because my next mission is now to help people to make their career. And of course, radio has always been the first and the first and the first love for me. So it will always become the love for me. It was an amazing session. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you, each one of you. Thank you so much, Chitra ma'am, Saroja ma'am, Madhubala ji. Thank you so very much. Rajiv ji, amazing poetry. Thank you so much. And a big thank you to this platform. And Edge Teacher platform has given me a great opportunity to connect with people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you everyone, and we would wish to see you soon. All the best. And
Excuse
let's
me,
get in touch.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I had a voice here. Somebody wanted to ask something.
Yeah, it was really an amazing session, ma'am. Just to end up, I would just like to boost all the teachers because all the teachers can do many things around. So just to end today's session, can I just have can I just put forward one poem?
Yeah. I mean, I guess we can all love hearing that. Please do that.
Thank you, ma'am. ये जिंदगी की कहानी है, बहता हुआ सा पानी है, हर पल कुछ नया दिखाता है, कभी खुशियां कभी मायूसी दे जाता है, भरकर अपने अंदर खुशी को हर गम से सीखते चलो, जो गिर गए तो क्या हुआ, उठकर फिर आगे बढ़ो, जब काले घने अंधेरों में भी तुम ढूंढ लोगे रोशनी, जब उस दिन हर गम हारेगा और जीतेगी तो बस खुशी. थैंक यू.
बहुत खूब. जीतेगी बस खुशी, और खुशी को ही जीतने दीजिए, और जो भी करिए खूब खुशी से करिए. और देखिए, आवाजों की दुनिया है, जैसा मैंने कहा, यहाँ दिखता नहीं है कुछ, एकमात्र चीज दुनिया की जहाँ कुछ भी नहीं दिखता, लेकिन खुशी इतनी दिखती है कि तभी हम सुबह उठते से ही रेडियो ऑन करना चाहते हैं. और अब तो हम सबके पास स्मार्टफोन है, तो अपनी अपनी लिंक्स हम शेयर करना चाहते हैं, उस पर सुनना चाहते हैं कुछ ऐसा जो हमें कुछ सिखाया जाए. राइट. तो वो ये खुशी जिंदा रहे. बहुत सुंदर कविता मैम, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. आपकी खुशी भी उसमें झलक रही थी. विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, एंड लेट्स कनेक्ट मोर अगेन. So I had a great time. Good evening to everybody. Happy Sunday, and see you very soon.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, teachers, for joining us. And I'll see you soon. So please fill the feedback form so that we can reach out to you with more interesting sessions like these. And yes, we'd also share other details with regards to next set of sessions and stuff. So I request all the teachers to please fill the feedback form. And thank you once again for joining us on today. And I hope you have a great week ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.